Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are starting chapter number 5 from Vistar. Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Let me give a little introduction to the chapter, and today I will be doing introduction as well as the summary. Tomorrow we will be doing the explanations. So let's begin. The story revolves around Jack, who is the father of two kids, Joan, Joe, and Bobby. His wife, Claire, is carrying the third child. Jack had a habit of telling his daughter, Joe, a story every evening and on Saturday afternoon naps. This time, when he was telling her a story, she interrupts him and asks him questions whenever she feels that things are being told are not right. So, Jack now finds himself in a fix and doesn't know how to resolve Joe's questions. Parents feel the children should do or think exactly what they are told. They should believe whatever they are told by their parents. But is this right attitude? This moral question is raised by the story and left the reader to decide what should be done. Now let's begin with the summary. The story starts with the daily routine that Jack had been following for 2 years with his daughter Do. His daughter was 2 years old when the tradition started, and today she was 4 years old. The tradition was that Jack would tell Joe a story out of his mind every day in the evening before going to bed, and also on every Saturday afternoon during her nap time. No, that issue was that it had been so long that he had been telling her stories that he did not have any good ideas for stories left with him. Even Joe didn't sleep during the story session anymore. So every day, when he used to tell her a story, the basic plot of the story used to be the same, revolving around Roger, an animal who used to change every day. Roger used to have a problem and he would approach the wise owl for help, who would send him to the wizard. The wizard would solve Roger's problem but ask for more pennies. That Roger would also give him a solution to go fetch the pennies from a specific place. Then Roger would go to that place, fetch the pennies, and would happily go back and play with his friend. After playing happily with his friend, Roger would go back home before it got dark to wait for his father, who would be on his wise way back from Boston. The Jack would describe what all Roger and his family had for dinner, and the end of the story, on the specific Saturday afternoon nap, Jack used to say that about which creature did she want to hear a story, to which she replied a skunk. So Jack started the story with a Roger skunk, who was a very stinky animal. None of his friends liked to play with him. One day he went to his wise owl and shared his problem. The wise owl then told him to go visit the wizard. Then Skunk went to the wizard and shared his problem. The wizard then helped him to solve his problem and asked him how he wanted to smell. To this, Roger Skunk replied that he wanted to smell like roses. With the wizard magic, he started smelling like roses. Then he did not have enough pennies to pay the wizard. So wizard told him to go to the magic well, turn around 3 times, and he would find 3 pennies which he could fetch and give to the wizard. The skunk did exactly what was told and got the wizard his pennies. Later, he went out. All the other animals gathered around him as he was smelling very good. But when he went home, his mother did not like the smell and asked who made him smell like that. Roger Skunk told the whole story to his mom, and his mother said that she liked the smell earlier and he smelt it the way a little skunk was supposed to smell. So then the skunk told his mom that the other animals ran away from him because of the foul smell. But his mom said that she did not care. She took him right back to the wizard, and as soon as the wizard opened the door, she gave him one on blow his head with her umbrella, and the wizard changed the skunk's smell and smelled for real again. While going back, the skunk heard the train coming. His father was coming on that train. They had dinner together. When the skunk was about to sleep, his mother came to him and told him that she loved him the way he was and there was no need to change. The story ended there. Then Joe asked his father whether the animals ran away from the skunk or for which he replied no. All of them had now got used to the way he smelled. Joe did not like the way Skunk's mother forced him and made him smell foul again. She wanted that her father should tell her another story the next day, in which the wizard hits Mommy back and refused to change the skunk's smell back. The Jack told her that he would see, and the main point of the story was that important. Skunk loved his mother more than any other animals in the woods, and the Mommy knew that was right for him. He then told her to sleep as the baby brother was also sleeping. He then closed the door and went downstairs. His wife was painting the chair rail. He heard some footsteps above and then scolded Joe. The footstep fainted. The Claire asked him that it was a long story, and that he replied, the poor kid. Then he watched his wife do the painting and working, but was very tired to help her. Also, he thought that the marriage was not in a good state, and also that there was no solution to it. He also said that he didn't feel like talking to her or nor touching her. Thank you, students.